Hi, let's see how do we use pipelines of commands in Linux. So uh, let's see what is pipeline. The pipeline is something we call as running more than one commands in one go. And let's see how can we write it. So let's do first ls here and see there is no any directory. We can make one directory here. Let's make a directory here. Make let's give it name as pipeline. Okay, so pipeline we are giving it name, and let's say we want to create another file in it, so we can use this symbol. You can get it from your keyboard. There is a vertical line, so we call it as pipelining. So let's write another command here. Let's we can create one file here in this folder. So we write it like this: touch file 1, file 2. Let's suppose it is txt file dot txt, and where we have to make these files on a current folder. Let's suppose on a current folder we want to make these. Okay, so it will and also we have to list these after the creation of this. Let's see what happened. See, now we have here we have one directory called as pipeline. See, this is a directory is created now, because there is now a directory of pipeline here. If you can see, this is created now, and after that we created two files, that is file 1 and file 2. So where are these files? uh let me check again. So yeah, see, there are two files here. F1 file 1 txt and file 2 txt is created here. So when you see, this is executed, and then this is executed, and then this is executed. So here we get the these uh, commands executed in pipelines. Okay, so this is how we use pipeline cases. If you want to write some more commands with this, you can also use these and write whatever command you want to write in one line and just execute it. You will get your command executed just in a one line. So thanks, have a nice day. For more videos like this, please subscribe to my